Yes, welcome to Workshop, the weekend edition of Workshop. The first voice going to Aruwayo Ide for inside the building, and for inside this whole big brothers, little brother talk, where they talk about everything that shall from the evictions, or pool party, and then maybe we're not going to talk about Saturday party because we don't know how it could be. But we get, of course, we get wager, we get other things, especially in between it for inside the house. We will talk all of that one, and of course, Austin better. Therefore, inside the building, how far?
I did.
How you feel? Say this one, na the kind of last.
You see, say my voice now. Don't low. You don't low. I don't feel bad.
Oh, don't need to feel bad now.
I don't. I go miss you now.
I go miss you more.
I go miss. Uncle God, I go miss some. I go miss some.
One of those people where they bring come the house and better.
Eh?
Now one of those girls where be say, whether they say pum come off for road. Now one of those girls now they bring come.
Now they carry and come back. When she comes to scatter house.
She don't fight the girl.
She fight oh. She fight. They fight.
You don't fight that girl.
Okay.
When
The boy don't fight her direct oh.
But they don't. You don't bring quarrel. So maybe now make them bring them. You two say
now why now? Big you one drama.
Okay, before we enter inside that conversation, before we enter inside we'll talk about the evictions.
Okay.
Yes, we'll talk about the evictions. Now, which eviction surprised you more? Cassia don't come out. Tofa don't come out. Ozzy.
No one surprise me. No, they go there. No,
predictable.
They go as. What's it they do? Show down the end. Maybe they go more. No, we go vote for.
So you not pay? You say then come out.
You not pay me. No pay me.
No pay me at all. Wow. So now a lot of debates done there online say, oh, the money is married, oh, the money is identical, oh, the money is this, the money is that. Some people don't they do some who say one if it carry them. Some say lie.
Say she not go fit.
So waiting be your take.
You know we say they pay me pass for this thing. They say as she win this task where they do yesterday, so people don't talk plus the one where they send them, the one where they no send them. You know, talk say because she don't win the car now, she not go fit win the show. But me, I don't really believe. I mean, I know say the reason why people they talk like that now say it don't they happen since so if you say person when win car they come out and before the show. But what if it's just a coincidence? Me, I don't really believe say if I get votes to win show because I win car they go come collect my content say okay because of that man no collect my 100 million. No. If cars na for me, if na me still win show, na me go win show. You know, so I don't really believe.
Okay, so well, we don't talk that one. So God will bring up that DRC. Somebody saying that Democratic Republic of Congo. Not true. Oh, these fans! Oh my God! They don't keep us. Enter. Po. I'm back in your face.
Yeah.
Question now for who face?
But I like as big it bring them back, sha. At least we get something to laugh about, something to worry about, something to say, hey, who go react? So, you know, for me, I felt like that brought a bit of, you know, drama to the house. And biggest house, there should be drama all times.
I agree with the drama. I agree. See, I know get issue with
the drama.
Now, wouldn't all of us sign up?
Yes.
But when I get an issue with say going too far, because if you ask me, Ruth already gets beef with Wani. The first beef where Ruthie get with Wani na because of Sean.
Yes.
And she they tell Mayor say Sean na her spec. Now Sean she like, but Sean they occupied. So that na the hidden beef way.
Then the whole
that whole truth or there. Then that fight where they can't get, and then when Ruthie they come out, watch me from home, Ruthie, all those things didn't pain them well.
Yeah.
And she don't forget say she said she talk her own. Talk some very, very derogatory
things where she
towards them. But now we say they don't get the opportunity to enter the house. Voila.
No, all that drama where they do that day, trust me, I enjoy them. But it can't reach one stage
where it did
I can't say this one don't need too much. It don't need too much. So the big say fear, say housemate freeze.
Even when them freeze, I see they talk.
I say okay, as they freeze now, everywhere go quiet when they start again. As big you say unfreeze now, so they unfreeze the while I join them because it come like say the fight save now times 100. Man say that they fight from midnight till like almost 4 a.m. As in, we see the apple, we see the call. I felt like at some point it was just too much. In my own, I know some people say no, better now. Wait till we want to be down. May they scatter the house. I say, these DRC agents now, they don't really get anything to lose. You know,
they don't get
anything to lose. Even if they go fight now, touch person, Biggie not go hold them because they be evictees. Biggie don't already come there.
But they never come out. They get something where they always talk. Sometimes, where I go like me, you talk again. You say if rats do something, if you invite rats, say if they give rats something, you go say give me something more to ask.
If you give rats cake, he go ask you for a glass of milk.
That was choco.
Now it happen be that now. Now as you bring up this so maybe we could talk the matter as it be. So now maybe we did very, very objective here. Okay. Big Brother give you a script. Stir up the house. The house they too quiet, it they too boring. And then at the end of the day now, una can't turn them to personal vendetta. Damn me, when we get issue with Wani.
Now that damn you weak me. Mama, you come up for week 1.
You come up for week 1.
We see they talk. People they talk. People will come up week 3, week 4 they talk.
Now I make Oyeka call them week 1.
I
Jeez. So you be week 1 waste. Good.
That one no good. Say that feel like rabbit.
She say why they behave like this? Come up there. I say come down. Come up, come down. Kilo day.
Well, that we don't get point at some point. I say, Mama, where see even they talk? Where see they talk?
Nothing. She don't get anything to talk. You don't get problem with one. You choose to get problem with one.
Person don't go. They shout. I say, we see the apple for here. We see the all this one. Damn me. You will come at that time beg. You come out, you enter again now. You won't come the behavior now. After that, you go outside beg. Like I say, I know when they come out now, you can't go. They do video, sit down, carry camera, put for front, say they beg.
I'm very sorry.
Let's see they beg for. Hold something with your chest. If you know say it's not good, not do one. Yes, Biggie give on a script. Okay, why we not they drag Chiwe? Chiwe no follow enter the house. Chiwe maybe say if she talks more, she go keep quiet. Now them go carry the matter for head because they shout.
No, I don't talk her before. So Chiwe na instigator.
Chiwe go talk small.
Because they instigate.
He go just talk small. Yes, he go talk small. He go leave there. They go front, carry her. He go. Mama go sit down
for one corner. What she call OC? I been OC.
Now
saying the woman beater. Call her woman beater.
All these things. See, for fights, me I know they really look say who talk this thing, because heated argument. But even but I just for me, I just they talk say there are just some things you should never say. Like that whole unborn child something. It was too far. But if say me and you they fight, I won't gonna curse you. I will curse you with a fight. That one in a part of the fight. We go to apologize later. But there are just some things that even apologies cannot really solve, so just don't say them.
Oh, well, the only thing I say, they don't give us reason to really, really talk about this whole
we talk everywhere
since last week Sunday. Then people don't complain, say people that pursue them come off from house like say them be all of I know you will complete the statement.
You don't wake up, so yeah. Come out.
And another they come, they say Wani na coward. She all the time with them there. She quiet.
Mama, if you go be coward to reach the finale, be coward. But who say if you don't be coward, they pursue you. Who you wait? If I don't lose now, leave car away collect now. If I don't leave car, say because they fire Ruti.
No. Now one of the things where I talk, I say look between Wani and this DRC. Now Wani get more to lose. Now final week we don't enter. Now we say she react. Can't decide to
maybe
fight
we can't come now. Can't they read rule book? Rule book not go affect evicted households. Rule book go affect people who still dead.
And she get one strike already.
And she already get one strike.
So now 2 strikes and then the disqualification. It don't make sense now.
Be a coward and own a car.
I better
a coward owner.
Learn to choose your battles. Not be every battle you go call.
You know, say that's a cowardly car owner.
Leave him like that. She hold the car. What she see their house. She see their house. I know now. But at the end of the day, they stir up some things. They give people. They try. But
now just say they
go overboard. They go really, really overboard.
If not that one, they try.
Anyway, well done to all of them. But that's una misbehavior to say I be Big Brother go summon all of now to the diary room and give una some punishment where una go serve before una go come out. Well, away from all of that now, shout out to Wani win win car. Just a shout. I won us a car, baby.
And the best car. It was emotional.
Very,
even
very
if you
emotional.
not be one E fan, trust me, all the people will not be one E fan. Even that yesterday, now so all of us they jump up, say, hey, this one sweet us. Even if it's possible that person will be your fave, but something happened to her. Unless say you be enemy of progress, maybe say you not like better thing, because she worked for it. That task alone, endurance task. When you go open bucket over 3 hours, they there. This girl don't move. I mean, she didn't move, but like she tried. She tried. Then the puzzle, first time when she go ever do puzzle,
because she not be somebody like
she don't like puzzle at all. It was just meant for her. Honestly. There's nothing else to be said. It was meant for her, and I'm glad that she won it. Yeah.
You see that task? I tell who I say, if to say na me, I go just concede that once big brother beg.
I don't tire.
I no fit. I know you go even.
You see where I go do? You see where they still hug the bucket? I go hug.
I go hug.
Then when big go say hold on with 2 hands. Now there I go come start to the big. I take up beg you.
I give up.
I know what.
I give up.
But you know go good. Maybe be the first housemate to drop am. But if one person drop, me self I go drop.
Follow who no road.
I go be the first. So that in the history of the task, who drop first now better, not be me.
The first housemate too.
First drop before better for you.
The first housemate will go drop out of the task.
You know, say na first and last we dey always look. I no go be the first to drop, not best.
I get something where she talk. You know, say everything they tell Wani say on Sunday she dey go back to Kaduna. Now she say at least she go back with car. With car. I don't know the name of the car. They don't pay for advert. So she go back with car. And speaking of that whole situation again, Chinwe and Nelly. Because they then get hidden. They also get
silent beef.
Silent beef.
Now silent beef. You know, say before they still fight for the gold. You thief my gold. You not thief my gold. Not be say they really settle before Chinwe come out. You know, so coming back, everybody they expect say as Ruti, we know say Ruti come back for Wani. We know say Dami come back for Tofa. In a way, we want scatter Tofa relationship. Then we also know say Chinwe and Nelly they get talk. I'm not gonna call them fight because those two girls that fight. If to say they won't fight and therefore don't fight and since, but I'm not sure saying that waiting they be one fight and all. But there was just something there. So as they come back the house, me and they look say okay, is it possible say they fit get that conversation? It's not certain because Chinwe get banner for it, Nelly get banner for it. So then anybody you understand? Yes. So but Chinwe even told Nelly that she wanted to have a conversation with her. It's funny how everything just went. You know, because it's like you say you won't follow me talk about something. Now this fight can't happen. See what's on and they talk. You know, it was just a lot of mixed emotions. You know, so we don't really know whether if they come out they go sit down woman to woman discuss what they worry them. Because me I don't really know.
But I wonder how much kind of conversation they won't get after you don't curse on herself like this on national
no
TV.
Before the course now before the course Chinwe tell Nelly.
Okay,
so when that fight can happen, what can see the hear the way Chinwe can they talk again? I say wetin I want can talk. You understand? What was the point of saying you want to speak to her? But my own is whether you can sort it out in the house or not. When you people come out, just be civil. Hello and hi. No need to come there. You don't have to be friends. I say this thing all the time. You don't have to be friends with every single person that got into the house. But at least be cordial. Like hello, hi, smile. I'm saying go see person the bone face like bread where they live inside the
the way they live. But at the end of the day, she said she know the saboteur wager, but she nearly sabotaged the wager.
I know, but you know, say that statement where she make you said no say na Nelly get that talk. That saboteur statement. Yes. She knows say you na Nelly get that. Now she bring ideas. Obviously, they brought ideas during the wager. Now Biggie ask him, and let me tell you, everything Chinwe said on that day, I agree.
Okay, you agree?
Know, okay. Yes, everything she said, because it's not possible to say that the wager task was 100%. You know, no. Biggie said critique. Maybe because I'm a literature student. No matter how perfect something be, book where person writes, they go tell me better critique this. Now 35 points. I go find something. Whether the text, the font where they use not good. Something must be wrong with the book because 35 points there. Biggie don't tell her critique something. You have to say something. And she started off by saying, oh, the task, it was okay, it was this, but which is for me a good way to critique something. If she had just come out to say, oh, everything they do now nonsense, now dear, I'm going to say, okay, this one a personal fight.
Yeah.
But she started by saying, oh, this one where they do they okay, this one they okay, but this one no they okay. And she listed her points, which I saw. You know, so people wake up and they say, oh, it's the way she said it, or she just, I don't agree.
Okay.
She went and literature, it's like English, she said read.
Oh, now she's studying
English.
Body.
Okay. You just bring something, we go find faults. No worry. Don't worry yourself.
Me, I don't study English, but I be one of the best students in English.
You see, so if they give you a literature book now, you understand? Now, so they be, if they give us book where we say, if you don't read them, happy, they go say critique it. Find
even me when
they find okay, the man enter keke, why him can't jump out from bus? Where bus from come? That's so.
You know, I remember the video where I do a few days ago. I suppose use now the word now. I say good command of English, but that now they wrong. It's supposed to be good command in English. Not because of that word. I don't post the video.
Perfectionist.
I don't post them because I don't understand how go tell my talk say I get good command in English. I use wrong.
This around for nobody perfect.
Nobody perfect, but you know,
even people say when they watch it, they feel don't know. Now you go they talk. Post more watch
No, but I just try buttress with you talk now. You know, at the end of the day, you always find.
No, me I agreed with her that day. Now I just people when they say now because of she won't just no, I don't agree. She said she makes sense.
Okay. Well, DRC, on a try. You don't give us plenty reasons to talk about. Now we don't near the finals. Now we'll talk about the pool party. Onyeka. Oyenka.
You see this thing what they tell you about Ozi? You see this thing? One of my followers for YouTube tell me say better he go get waiting Ozi they always tell Onyeka when they don't off mic. When go see me Onyeka they carry body they go near this boy. Because in the daytime we go be like saying Victoria they follow talk. Later we go see am with Onyeka. Yesterday for this pool party, who waka go meet who?
Now Ozina.
Why? Tomorrow now we go say Onyeka they do this. Ozi they do something.
You know see what he do for that truth or there when they say make Onyeka. He go carry that bottle.
So that boy. Wow. I talk and say the mother wait there outside. Mama you dey try because I no go fit. I don't go fit.
Why they give conflicting signals? Why?
After I go come, okay, see which day where this girl just hold her, me get her stay hold her.
We enter market, we will come back.